Hello guys, I'm Yogesh and welcome to CADX with you. Today we are discussing exercise 21. In this exercise, we are creating this model in our component. This is the drafting of this component. Here is the top view and here is the front view of this component. I'm starting from this front view. First of all, I'm making this sketch. Then I do the extrude up to 32. Let's start. Just selecting the top view and making one here rectangle. I'm creating here the center rectangle like this. After that, I'm giving the dimensions here. It will be 60 plus how much here 17 and here 17. 60 plus 34 and here 130 plus 34. So here giving 60 plus 34 is nothing but 94, and here 130 plus 34 is nothing but 164. Yeah, like this. After that, just I am giving here two circles. For that, the circle will be my like a two tangent circle. The first tangent is this, and second, the circle is about how much it providing the radius. So I giving the radius here 17, like and like this. Now I am creating one more circle over here of radius 15, like this. Yeah, radius 15. Second circle is of radius 15. And now I'm selecting the both two circles like this by pressing Ctrl and doing here the rectangle pattern. Just moving this arrow somewhat like this, and here the quantity will be the 2. Just here the quantity 2, and the distance I am providing in the downward section is how much? Minus 130, like here. And in this direction the quantity will be 2, and the distance I am providing here, it will be the 60, like this, and enter. After that, I am trimming the unrequired section, which is and this. Same here and this. Here too, like this, like this. Perfect. After that, just making this section over here. For that, I am using the slot feature over here. Slot, and here I am using here the center point slot. The center and here the slot like this, and just taking the slot like, and just giving the diameter. Here is the 50 and 25. Two diameter as providing like this. One is circle like this. Just giving the radius here is 25 and the diameter here is 25. I think so. Let's see once again. Yeah, the diameter is the 25, and the outer circle here is the of radius 25, like it. And just the distance as providing from here to here is the 55. Just go to the distance from this point to this point. Here it will be how much? 55, like this. Perfect. And just trim the unrequired section. This. Here and this section I doesn't require. Here too. Perfect. Like. After that, just finish the sketch and just select the required section. I'm selecting this outward section here like this, but I doesn't require this. Just pressing the Ctrl key, it unselected like here, and I doesn't require this line too. Now I'm using here the extrude feature. I want to extrude up to how much? Here 32 mm. Just go the extrude and orbit it somehow, and just providing the value in the negative sense. So there minus 32 like here, and then OK. Just go to the sketch, visible the sketch here, and the outer circle is extruded up to 6 mm. For that, I am selecting these circles first by pressing Ctrl like this, and here, and just providing the extrude up to 6 mm. like this and enter. Once again, I'm going to this feature, just selecting by pressing controls and selecting this circle for the whole feature and here. Then okay, like this, perfect. After that, there is a extrude of this feature or this part, but in the two sections, the first section is at a 6 mm and another section is at a 44 mm. The total goes to the 50. For that, I am selecting this profile and the direction here I am using here is the two side. The first side here upside, it will be how much? It will be the 6 mm, and the downward side it will be how much? 44 mm. This total is equal to 50 mm. Then enter. For making this section, I am using the right plane. For that, just go to the sketch and selecting for front plane here, like this. Once again, just finish the sketch. Like here, just I am deleting this sketch and sketch, selecting this profile and front. Yes. Perfect. Now I'm making the circles like these two circles I am making first of all, and just giving the dimension. One is a 46 and another is a 20. So the dimension 46 enter and another is a 20 here, like this. After that, from here to here, the dimension has a provided, which will be how much? 137, and from here to the here it will be the 160, or the center of this circular section or the slot section, it will be the 160. Means from this point to this point in the horizontal sense, it will be the how much? 160 enter, and here it will be the 137. I am right. 137 and 60. After that, there is a two arc. The first arc is like here, 95, distance as providing 100, and another is a third. How much? At here, the edge of this profile. First of all, I am making the one line like this. Enter. After that, just go to the 3-point arc, selecting any random point, and here to like this, making the one arc. After that, I am going to the constraint and using here the tangent constraint and making this line and this profile. Same here to this line too. After that, going to the coincident feature, selecting this point and this point as the coincident, and just providing here the dimension of this arc. It will be the 107 and the distance 100. So distance here, how much? 107, and from the distance here to the this point, it will be the 100. Enter, like this. But this point is connected to this line. For that, I am using the coincident feature and selecting this line and this point. Let's or just trim the unrequired part. Like it. I want line up to here only, but it tangent is perfect, and here also tangent. The main important, the tangents and the line. The next line is providing over here. For that, I'm making the random line like over here. But just go to the coincident constraint and selecting this point and this line. After that, I'm making the once again the 3-point tangent arc feature like this. Go to the tangent. This arc and this circle will be the tangent over here, and just giving the dimension here the radius of 45. Here it will be the 45. Enter, like this. After that, just making this point and this point will be the coincident, like yes, same. It's perfect. Now just finish the sketch. Before the finishing the sketch, just close the sketch first of all. Closing the sketch here. Now it closed. Yeah. Just finish the sketch. After that, just rotate it somehow like here and extrude it up to how much? 37. In the symmetric direction, the whole distance are providing the distance will be 37. Enter like this. Just once again visibling the sketch and selecting this sketch. After that, just use the extrude feature over here, and the distance of the extrude as providing over here, it will be the 62. Just select the sketch first of all. Just selecting, extrude it up to. Here I am providing the distance. Extent type will be the direction will be the symmetric, and the whole distance is the how much? 62. And here enter like this. Now making this section over here, I am using this plane as our sketch plane. Just use the sketch and just selecting this profile. Yeah, this profile, and just projecting this profile over here. Okay, like this. And go to the modify, offset, selecting here too, but the line has been not come. By pressing P, the project shortcut has been opened. Just select this line and this here too, like this, and then OK. Modify, offset, just of the chain selection, selecting this point like this, and giving the offset of 12 mm, like it. Enter. And same goes to the here, offset, selecting this and this section and offsetting about minus 12 mm here. Just close this sketch by using line and projecting this circle by using P, the keyboard, like this, and just trim the unrequired section. Then here, just I required this section. Just finish the sketch here like this, and select this profile, extrude, and I want cut. So in the reverse direction, it will be how much? Minus 11. How 11? The distance as providing 37, but it up to the how much? 15 mm only. Here, when you 37 minus 15, it goes to 22. In one direction, it will be the 11, and another direction, it will be like this. For making in another section, just I am using here the mirror feature. Mirror, selecting the feature here, this, and the plane, it will be the which? This plane. And OK. Like this, our section has been completed over here. Just off the sketches, it show properly. There are the fillets are remaining. 3 fillets are remaining. The first is the 12 mm here, and another is the there 6 mm fillet, I think so. Yeah, 6 mm fillet, 6 mm diameter fillet, and is the 6 radius fillet has been provided. Let's go. Here, just here is the first fillet or bit of some. Just pressing the control, selecting this edges to, and giving here 6. Enter. After that, another 2 fillets. Fillet, selecting these edges and orbit somehow. Here, 12 mm. And just pressing the plus sign here. Here I am selecting this, and here, and here, it of 6 mm. Enter. Like this. Like all the fillet are the completed. Like this, we can make this type of the model by using the Fusion 360 or any other software by applying the same features and the same content. Like it. Now we always go for the render feature, render, and just giving the appearance here. I'm using the color, metallic color only, metals, aluminum, and here I'm using this blue color. Okay, you can give any different color as per your aspect, like this. Like this, we completed our exercise 21. I hope you got this exercise. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Thank you. See you at next exercise.